Everyone take out your English literature book. Achha, everyone take out your English literature book, chapter number 15, 1-5, chapter 15. English literature book, chapter 15, 1-5. Earrings for Nina. Chapter 15, 1-5. Earrings for Nina. Earrings for Nina. Okay, it is a mystery story. It is a mystery. Okay, it is a mystery story. Acha, everyone just down your hands. Down your hands. Everyone down your hands. Acha, it is a mystery story. What type of story it is? Okay, what type of story it is? It is a mystery, or it is a short story, or it is a play, or it is a folk tale, it is a fairy tale. Tale first you will know what type of the story it is. So it is a Earrings for Nina. It is a mystery story. Okay, Earrings for Nina. It is a mystery story. What would you do if you found yourself in the middle of the robbery? তুমি কি করবে? তুমি যদি একটা ডাকাতির মধ্যে পড়ে যাও তখন তুমি কি করবে? What would you do if you found yourself in the middle of a robbery? Would you try to save others? To try to save yourself? অন্যকে প্রোটেক্ট করবে নাকি নিজেকে প্রোটেক্ট করবে ডাকাতদের থেকে? অন্যদের প্রোটেক্ট করবে নাকি নিজেকে প্রোটেক্ট করবে? যদি ডাকাতির মধ্যে তুমি পড়ে যাও তাহলে তুমি কি করবে? অন্যকে প্রোটেক্ট করবে না নিজেকে প্রোটেক্ট করবে? Read the story of a brave young girl who used her special ability to solve a crime. Okay. Which pair of earrings do you like, Nina? Dazzling silver parrots or these rose-shaped ones? Rekha asked her sister. Rekha always made sure that her younger sister could watch her face as she spoke. Okay. The two sisters had come with their mother to the jewelry store. So the two sisters with their mother to come the jewelry store. They were buying something, the earrings. Okay, earrings for Nina. Which pair of earrings do you like, Nina? Dazzling silver. Dazzling means hanging. Okay. Silver parrots or these rose-shaped ones. কোনটা তোমার এইটা ভালো লাগছে না ওইটা ভালো লাগছে? Rekha asked her sister. Rekha always made sure that her younger sister could watch her face as she spoke. The two sisters had come with their mother to the jewelry store. I don't want earrings. Please leave me alone, replied Nina. আমার earrings চাই না, আমাকে একা থাকতে দাও, Nina বলছে. But grandma sent money for both of us to buy earrings for our birthdays. Grandma আমাদের জন্য টাকা পাঠিয়েছে আমাদের জন্মদিনে দুটো earrings কেনার জন্য. Rekha said, Nina's 10th birthday was only a few days away. 10 বছরের বার্থডে কদিন বাদেই হবে. But grandma everyone, those who have late joined, take out your English literature book and also on your video. Okay, take out your English literature book and on your video, chapter number 15. Chapter 15, earrings for Nina. Take out your English literature book, chapter number 15, earrings for Nina. English literature book. But I don't want earrings and I hate it when people stare at me as if I have run away from the zoo. Nina said angrily. People will only stare at you if you keep snapping and snarling. Snapping means speaking irritably. Okay, irritably speaking. And snarling means speaking angrily. People will only stare at you if you keep snapping and snarling, replied Rekha. She growled loudly like a tiger. Nina broke into laugh. খুব হেসে উঠলো, মানে ও কি করলো, ওর দিদি কি করলো, ওকে হাসাবার চেষ্টা করলো, রেগে গেছে তো হাসাবার চেষ্টা করলো, তখন কি করলো, Nina broke into laughter. Rekha's heart lifted with joy. Rekha's heart lifted with joy. Nina did not laugh much these days. Rekha's heart lifted with joy. Nina did not laugh much these days. 2 years ago, Nina had got a dangerous brain fever. She got better but could not hear anymore. Nina had joined a special school where she learned to hear what people said by watching their lips move. After months of training, Nina went back to her old school, but it was hard for her to understand what her teacher said. She felt sad when she could not take part in her favorite music program. The look of pity she saw in the eyes of her old friends was the hardest for her. One day, Nina just stopped going to school. বলছে নিনার একটা ব্রেন ফিভার হয়েছিল, যে ব্রেন ফিভারে ও মানে শোনাটা কানের মানে শ্রবণ শক্তিটা হারিয়ে গেছিল, ঠিক আছে, ও কিছু শুনতে পেত না। তখন ও কি করলো, শুধু যে লিপ মুভিং হতো, মানুষের যে লিপ মুভিং হতো, সেই লিপ মুভিং দেখে ও বুঝতো যে কি বলছে। তখন ও একটা অন্য স্কুলে ভর্তি হলো, ওখানে ওকে ওইটা যে ট্রেনিং দেওয়া হলো, কিভাবে ওটাকে শোনা যায়, কিভাবে ওই লিপ মুভিংটা করা যায়, ওগুলো একটা ট্রেনিং দেওয়া হলো। তারপর ও নিজের স্কুলে ফিরে এলো। ফিরে আসার পর ওর টিচাররা কি বলছে ও তখন ওটা বুঝতে পারলো। তখন she felt sad when she could not take part in her favorite music program. মিউজিক প্রোগ্রামে জয়েন করতে যখন পারলো না, তখন খুব দুঃখ পেল। The look of pity she saw in the eyes of her friends was the hardest for her. যখন ওর বন্ধুদের চোখেতে করুণার মানে একটা দেখতো, তখন ওর প্রচন্ড দুঃখ লাগতো, কষ্ট হতো। One day Nina just stopped going to school. স্কুল যাওয়াও বন্ধ করে দিল, ঠিক আছে। Now whenever her parents talked about school, she burst into tears. যখনই তার বাবা মা স্কুলের কথা বলে, সে প্রচন্ড ভাবে কান্নাকাটি করে, কেঁদে ওঠে। Yes, Rajpreet.
Hello,
হ্যাঁ
ma'am. Chapter 15 is not in our syllabus.
Chapter 15 is in your syllabus. Every chapter is in your syllabus. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Whenever her parents talked about school, she burst into tears. Come on, Nina. Rekha asked her now, don't buy earrings, but come and help me choose a pair. The store was famous for its diamond jewelry. They were always kept locked in glass cabinets. Only the store manager could unlock them for customers. ওখানে প্রচুর ভ্যালুয়েবল জিনিস থাকতো, তো সেই জন্য সবসময় ওটাকে বন্ধ করে রাখা হতো, ঠিক আছে। The store was famous for its diamond jewelry, but the মানে door was locked. Okay, so যে যারা ওটা কিনতে যাবে সেখানে ঢুকবে এবং ম্যানেজার থাকবে, ম্যানেজারটার ভেতরে ওরা থাকবে। There were security cameras cameras everywhere. The counters where Nina and Rekha were standing was right next to the diamond section. Nina watched without interest as she salesman laid out many velvet-lined trays of beautiful earrings. ভেলভেটের ট্রের উপর ইয়াররিংস গুলো দেওয়া থাকে, যখন দেখবে কোনো মায়ের সাথে দেখবে জুয়েলারি শপে যাবে তখন দেখতে পাবে একটা ভেলভেটের ট্রে দেয়, একটা ভেলভেটের ট্রের মধ্যে ওই ইয়াররিংস গুলো রাখা থাকে বা যেগুলো তুমি কিনতে যাচ্ছ সেগুলো রাখা থাকে, ঠিক আছে? The Nina watched without interest as the salesman laid out a many velvet-lined trays of beautiful earrings. A pair of beautiful dolphin-shaped earrings caught her eye. Dolphin shape একটা earrings ওর খুব ভালো লাগলো. Aren't these cute? She asked, holding up an earring with a smile. Rekha nodded. It is just the thing to turn all your friends in school green with envy. Okay. Green be green with envy. Be very jealous. এটার মানে কি? Green with envy means হচ্ছে be very jealous. তুমি যদি এটা পড়ে যাও, স্কুলে এটা পড়ে যাও, মানে ওকে যাতে স্কুল পাঠানো যায় সেই জন্য ওরা চেষ্টা করছে, স্কুলে যদি পড়ে যাও তাহলে বন্ধুরা খুব জেলাস হবে তোমার প্রতি। তো দেখতে খুব সুন্দর। Oh no, Didi, Nina shot back. I don't want to buy them. I am not going to back to school. আমি স্কুলে যাব না, আমি এটা কিনবো না, আমি স্কুলেও যাব না। The salesman looked at her mother. He pointed to Nina, then to his ear and shook his palm and asked, can't the child hear? Nina was very upset and would not look at the earrings after that. She waited for her mother and sister to finish shopping. Suddenly, she noticed two men, guns in hand, face covered with black masks, burst into the room. Robbers! One masked man grappled the security. Grappled means took hold of roughly. Grappled the security guard. The other walked into the diamond section. Chaos broke out. Chaos means confusion, state of confusion. মানে প্রচন্ড chaos হতে লাগলো চারিদিকে। People screamed and ran in confusion. Screamed means চিৎকার করা, ran in confusion. চারিদিকে এদিক ওদিক দৌড়াতে লাগলো, কি করবে ভেবে পাচ্ছে না, চারিদিক দৌড়াতে লাগলো। The manager reached for the telephone in panic when the robber fired a shot. Manager কি করলো? টেলিফোন করতে লাগলো when the robber fired a shot. শট করলো, ঠিক আছে, একটা শট দিল, তখন ম্যানেজার কি করলো? টেলিফোন করতে লাগলো। যেমনি টেলিফোন করলো তখনই রবারটা কি করলো? শট, ফায়ার্ড আ শট। এই অবধি থাকলো। পরের দিন মানে ফ্রাইডেতে নেক্সটটা পড়বো, ঠিক আছে? এটা পড়ে শেষ করে দেবো। তোমাদের সিলেবাসে দেখো, প্রত্যেকে দেখো, যেটা তোমাদের ইয়ে আছে ওই ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ সিলেবাস আমি ম্যামের সাথে কালকে কথা বলেছি। যে চ্যাপ্টার গুলো তোমাদের মিসিং আছে, ওই চ্যাপ্টার গুলো পেয়ে যাবে, ঠিক আছে? ওই চ্যাপ্টার গুলো পেয়ে যাবে, সব চ্যাপ্টারই মোটামুটি হবে। মনে হচ্ছে ওগুলো কম্প্রিহেনশন চ্যাপ্টার রয়েছে, ওই চ্যাপ্টার গুলো মনে হচ্ছে, যতদূর মনে হচ্ছে কম্প্রিহেনশন চ্যাপ্টার, ওইগুলো পেয়ে যাবে। ওগুলো তো বেশি ইম্পর্টেন্ট কিছু সেরকম কিছু নয়। আর এখানে যেটা হচ্ছে ইংলিশ লিটারেচারের সিলেবাসে হচ্ছে গার্ল ইন স্পেস, ওকে, ইয়াররিংস ফর নিনা, আই সি হোয়াট ইউ মিস, দ্য ফার্স্ট ফ্লাইট অ্যান্ড দ্য ওয়েলদি মাইজার। এইগুলো হচ্ছে এবারের চ্যাপ্টার। 5 চ্যাপ্টার্স আর include in your essay 2 syllabus. 5 chapters and another the revision chapters are included. The revision chapters I will tell you later. I think chapter 11, 12, 13, 9, 10, 8, 9, the revision chapters I will tell you later. Okay, first just we will complete the essay 2 syllabus, then we'll discuss the revision chapter. আচ্ছা পড়ো, এবার পড়ো, নিজেরা পড়ো। read this chapter carefully. ये কোথায় হলো? আচ্ছা Sirin, where is Sirin? আচ্ছা সিরিন,
Yes, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ, ওকে, I will tell you later. Okay,
Ma'am, now.
yes, yes, now.
Okay, ma'am, I am telling.
First, you read the chapter carefully. Then you will just tell me the about your doubt. Okay. First, you read the chapter carefully. Chapter না পড়েই doubt হয়ে গেল? এতজনে hand raise করে দিলে?
Ma'am, can I start my letter writing?
Yes, yes.
Letter writing.
হ্যাঁ।
Ma'am, I have to only say the letter, or I have to say the letter with address?
No, 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 no. Just body of the letter. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And also I have to say the friend of, means the name of my friend.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Dear Oishi, hope everything is going well with the grace of God. You know that I am fond of co-curricular activities. So I took part in a drawing competition organized by school. There I have drawn the situation of COVID period and won the first prize. You also please write your experience. We'll be waiting to know your experience of co-curricular activities. Your loving friend Shirin.
বাহ, very good. খুব ভালো হয়েছে।
Thank you, ma'am.
আচ্ছা, এনাক্ষী।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. There was handbook in English grammar. There was no chapter that will there in the. There was written there. There was some chapters and there.
I know that. I will. I have already talked with ma'am, Joyshri ma'am. I have already talked. Ma'am will send the, or I will send the chapters. Those chapters are missing. I will send. Okay. 5 chapters. I think 5 chapters are missing.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What is the meaning of dangling? Dangling. Dangling silver.
Yes, dangling means also hanging. Hanging, ঝুলছে।
Yes, ma'am, dangling. And then I got understand this line that people will only stare at you if you keep snapping and snarling. Reply Rekha.
Okay, which para? Which para?
Ma'am, second para.
Okay. People will only stare at you if you keep if you keep snapping and snarling, replied Rekha. People will only stare. Stare means হচ্ছে দেখা, ঠিক আছে? যখন তুমি কি করবে, অ্যাংরিলি কথা বলবে, হ্যাঁ, ইরিটেডলি কথা বলবে, তখনই তোমার দিকে তাকাবে পিপলরা।
ও মানে আচ্ছা,
বুঝতে পেরেছো?
তোমার
যদি দেখো তোমার বিহেভিয়ারে যদি কেউ কোনো মানে ন্যাচারাল কিছু না দেখতে পেলো, আনন্যাচারাল দেখতে পেলো, তখন মানুষ কি করবে, তোমার দিকে তাকিয়ে থাকবে। তুমি ধরো রাস্তা দিয়ে যাচ্ছ, অ্যাংরিলি কারোর সাথে কথা বলছে, তখন তো পিপল তোমার দিকে তাকাবে, তুমি চেঁচালে তোমার দিকে পিপলরা তাকাবে, এটাই বলতে চাই। তুমি আনন্যাচারাল বিহেভিয়ার করলে পিপলরা তোমার দিকে দেখবে।
Yes, ma'am. And I am telling that I am written the Bengali question answer. Can I tell that you I am read the question answer?
Okay. This is not your Bengali class. In Bengali class, you will tell me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And
ma'am,
there was sit. Nusaiba, sit.
Ma'am, there was you have to do the girl in space. You can't send the question answer.
I will send the question answer in this week. Whatever I have completed in English literature, English language, I will send all the question answer. আজকে এই সপ্তাহের মধ্যে যা যা কমপ্লিট করব এই সপ্তাহের মধ্যে সমস্ত কিছু পেয়ে যাবে স্টাডি মেটেরিয়ালে।
আমি সব পেয়ে যাবো?
এই
Okay,
সপ্তাহ,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ এই উইকে যা কমপ্লিট হবে এই উইকেই পেয়ে যাবে।
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shushnaata.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell you my letter?
Yes. Tell me.
Okay, ma'am. But ma'am,
Yeah.
Shirin told that he wrote this letter to her friend, but you have told that to write a letter to cousin.
Okay, no problem. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am, I am telling. Dear brother, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of God. I am also fine. In 7th December 2021, in Jatiyo Pathagar was held. A recitation competition was held in Jatiyo Pathagar. I took part in this competition and won the first prize.
Then?
Yes, ma'am. Then I am telling. Then I got a trophy and one certificate from the club. Take my love, give my pranam to uncle and auntie. Regards, your loving sister, Susnata.
Wow, very good. ভালো হয়েছে, very good.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, one of my hobbies is also recitation.
Okay, very good. I know that. You recite well, I know that. Okay. Okay, when the school will open, I will hear one of your recitation. Acha, Farhan. Okay, Shushnaata, very good.
Hello, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, can you tell me till where you have read, because I haven't listened that.
Earrings for Nina, the first 2 pages.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Nusaiba.
Yes, ma'am, I want to tell the letter writing.
Okay. Tell me. Always welcome.
Letter writing. Adra Bangalpur, Bangunan, Howrah, 711303, 15 December 2021. Dear Tanisa, I hope you are well by the grace of God. I am also fine too. Long days past, I have not got a letter for a long time. Today, through this letter, I want to say something special about my achievement in co-curricular activity in my school. Last Sunday, our school organized an co-curricular activity program 4 to 8 classes. There are different kinds of activities like drawing competition, singing competition, dancing competition, and many more. You will be happy to hear I hold the first position in the drawing competition and award with a drawing kit content of big color box, pencil, drawing books, etc. I am so happy. Every teachers and my friends congratulate me. No more today. We will discuss a lot when we will meet. Give me my regards to your parents and lots of love for your blessing. Hope you will meet soon. Your lovely friend Nusaiba Parveen.
বাহ, ভেরি গুড, খুব ভালো হয়েছে, ভেরি নাইস। আচ্ছা, বাহিয়া। Yes, Bahia. Huh.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, can I tell my letter?
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me.
Dear Nadia, how are you? I have not met you long time. I want to tell you about my achievement in co-curricular activity. I was participated in a drawing competition in our school and I have got the second prize. I am very happy to own it. I hope your parents, sisters and brothers are doing well. Your loving friend Bohia.
বাহ, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, আচ্ছা, ঐশী। আচ্ছা, আঞ্জুম।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can I say the letter?
হ্যাঁ,
Can I say the letter?
yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute. One minute, ma'am. I'm saying.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can you hear my voice?
Yes, yes, yes. I can hear you. Tell me.
I am happy to receive your sweet letter. You wanted to know about the co-curriculum activities of our school. Now I am writing about it. Ours is a good and old school. It is a good name of fame for co-curriculum activities. Our school arranges debating program of publish a magazine annually. It has also a wing to vocational training center. In the field we play different games and sports. Really, the co-curriculum activities of our school help us to confident and self-reliant. Right about your give the best regards to your parents and love to your younger. Ma'am, complete.
Okay, very good. আচ্ছা, বনশ্রী। বনশ্রী, tell me.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I have written an essay on my experience or achievement in co-curriculum activities.
Okay, tell me, tell me. Very good. Tell me.
Painting has remained my childhood hobby. I have been learning painting since 4 years. Nowadays, I am learning watercolor painting. I have also got many awards for painting. I love to see my paintings that I have made, that I painted previously, and I have kept all my drawing books, notebooks, scrapbooks and colors that I have got in these 4 years. The prizes and awards that I have got are nothing, but they are very precious to me. Mainly, I have learned oil pastel, sketches, and soft pastel. All the respect and regards goes to my painting teacher who have taught me by giving his best.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Okay, so everyone, bye bye.